Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. There's my dog, sorry. She's kind of distracting. Can you tell what's missing on my face today? Brows, yes. So, iMethod has sent me this long-lasting up to 3 days. Okay, so I'm going to be testing this out. You actually put the stuff on, you got to leave it on for like 20 minutes. And the color is supposed to last for 3 days. So hopefully the color they sent to me is my color. They're the experts on that because I've never used this before. So let's see what's inside this box. This should be fun. I hope so. Let me show you what came in here. You get tape because definitely when you put the stencil up there to do this, you're going to want it to stay and not move. So that's why they put the tape in here, I'm assuming. And you also get this little brush that you can use. It's kind of like one I already have. It's got the spoolie, and then it's got this end that's angled. I hadn't even taken that out. And then they give you a ton of stencils. You have a lot to choose from. That's pretty nice, too. And you could probably create other eyebrows, you know, if you want to do something different. Then you got cute little Q-tips. How cute those are. And here's the box, and it also has instructions of what to do, how to leave it on, and then if you have frequently asked questions, they're on the back of this. So let me find which stencil is best for me. Oh, and here's the color. Here's the color choice they gave me. I've got the colors right there. It's color 06. Okay, so this is my color. That might be good. We'll see. We will see. I'm a little scared to do this, but you know what? If it's too light, I can always fix that. I mean, it lasts 3 days. Okay, so this is kind of cool because if it works, which I think it will, I've watched other people use this product, and it was kind of amazing. I liked it, and when they asked me to try it, I said, okay, so let's give it a whirl. Okay, I made sure I taped this down, and I'm holding it here. I've got the product in my hand. Are y'all ready? I'm ready to do this. So it's going to probably look weird at first, but at least it's a stencil, and I can kind of place this on. Let me turn it. And I know it looks weird. It's cold, I can tell you that. I'm trying to make sure I get all the areas. There we go. That works better. It's kind of press down and move it. Lister figured it out. Now, yeah, does that look weird? But this is going to dry, and then you're going to peel it off, and it's not going to be this dark, okay? So I have to let this dry for 20 minutes is what it said. I mean, you can leave it a little longer if you want to, but right now, we're going to let this dry for 20 minutes, and we'll see what we have, ladies. Okay, so now I have it on, and you can take these little Q-tips, and if you need to kind of clean it up anywhere, this is a good time to do that. I don't think I'm really out of the lines at all. I think I might need to smooth some of it out just a tad, but other than that, like that little piece there. But this is going to harden. I need to see what time it is because I have to leave this on for 20 minutes. I think you can leave it on longer than 20 minutes. God, I had too much there. See, it comes right off though. Isn't that cool? But it's going to harden. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to peel this off. And see what we have, girlfriends. I'm your guinea pig today. Yes, I am. Oh my goodness. This shirt says, hello, beautiful. Let's hope I stay beautiful. I will. I think this is going to be fun. This is kind of fun. I'm excited about what it's going to look like. So I'll be back as soon as I'll pull it off with you. Okay. Once it's set, I'm coming back and we're going to go through this adventure together. Okay. So let's talk a little bit about this product while it's still drying. I've had it on now for about an hour and a half. So I'm going to let it stay for 2 hours because this box on the back, you can read it. It says it needs to stay on for at least 20 minutes to 2 hours, although you can leave it overnight for maximum results. So that sounds good to me. And you peel it off by starting at the inner corner of each brow, which means here, and then pull it off. So I'm really anxious to see what this is going to look like. I still got a little bit of time, but I thought I'd come and tell you about that. It is a cool product. It really is. It's dry. It's dry, but I'm going to let it stay just a little bit longer. And we're going to pull this off because I got to go to Walmart. I can't go to Walmart like this. And people would go, what happened? I'll be like, I'm trying out a new product. Yeah, I'll just have to carry this with me and say, hey, you need to try this. Yeah. But right now, I'm thinking I'm going to really like it. So stay tuned. I'm excited. Okay, are y'all ready? I'm a little nervous. I had them on for 2 hours. So I think I'll start with this side because it's the closest to the camera here. So let's just see what it does. It's just supposed to peel right off. So let me see if I can get it started and see what it does. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's not too dark at all. That's like look at that. That is cool. Oh, I got to get this a little bit off here. There we go. I really need to go have mine shaped professionally. I can pluck around what I don't need. Oh, that worked really good, y'all. Look at that. Mine were non-existent. That's better than non-existent. I can come in and fill this in perfectly now. Perfectly. Let's do this side. I got to do both sides now. Yes. Now, the next time I do this, I think I will let it stay overnight. That's what I'm going to do for the next time. Oh, that is so cool. See, you thought it was going to be really dark too, didn't you? Yeah. But absolutely, that is like the best. Now, they do have this little item here. I didn't even open it. But if you don't have one of these are really great to have because your brows, you need this. If you use brow freeze, which I like to use Anastasia's brow freeze on mine, and then apply my color. So I do use one of these. I can't even get this thing open, but I need scissors. But I have one right here. It's the same thing. So I'm going to kind of comb. Oh, that's perfect. They're not sticky. They're very soft feeling. So girls, this might be something that you want to try. At least it gave me some nice color. So if I was in a hurry and just needed to get out the door, I could go just like this, honestly. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, I'm going to give it a 10 because I really do like this. I was skeptical now, but I'm not skeptical anymore. That looks awesome. Oh my goodness. Hey, please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only. If there's anything that you would love for me to do for you, trying things like this is something I'd like to do more of. So please put it in the comments and I will see y'all next Sunday. Go ahead. The links and everything to this product are going to be below. And so get it and try it. They will, you may have to send them a picture or something of you because they'll send you the product color that's best for you. And they sent me this color for me. So I think they did a good job. All right. I'll see y'all later. Have a great day. Bye.